Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss class 8 topic creating table using design view Microsoft SS. My dear student, first of all I discuss कि when any file created in when the any files created in Microsoft Excel is called a spreadsheet. When the any file created in Microsoft Excel a spreadsheet, Microsoft Word is related to document and Microsoft Access is called database. My dear student, you work with the MS Excel, the same position is related to the Microsoft Access. This is the theoretical part, but second video I just sent to practical part. So when the any files created in Microsoft Excel is called a spreadsheet, MS Word document and Microsoft Access is called to the database. My dear student, first of all I discuss कि MS Excel spreadsheet you work with the MS Excel is interrelated to row or columns. Everybody know that. I work with the MS Excel spreadsheet is interrelated to the row and column. But Microsoft Access is interrelated to not for the row and column. The row is called record and column is called field. The same meaning, the same position, but you work with the Microsoft Excel mainly row and column, but Microsoft Access the row is called record and the column is called field. This is the MS Access. My dear student, first of all, how to create to the table using design view. The total classes is mainly related to the 40 minutes. But my dear student, 40 minutes I only provided to the 50-minute video in theoretical, and this theoretical part is interconnected to the 50-minute video in the practical part. So don't worry, very easy term. First of all, how to create to the table in design view. The first of all, first you click blank database. First you click blank database. Second, then you click to the blank database. First you click view option. My dear student, I again one sentence repeated. Today I show to the practical in every such type of point. My SSC 2013, not for 2010 and the 2007 and the 2016. That my SSC 2013. Then first click blank database. Then second click use the view option. The two type of the view option is interrelated to the 2013. First database view and second design view. First database view, the view option provided in the 2013, the 2 point database view and the design view. 2007 SS provided the 4 and the 5 point. 2016 the same logic applicability, but the same position apply. You work with the 2013, 7, 10. Don't worry. One time work with the 7, one time work with the 2013. Every student you work with the only one office. Yeah, 2007, 2013, 2016. Don't worry. So first you click view option. There are two type of the view option available: database view and to the design view. My dear student, I again repeated, design view, the best option to create table. Design view, it is the best option to create the table. My third point. You click design view. You click design view and open the dialog box appear. Open the dialog box appear in front of you. My dear student, you just click to the design view. The design view, the one dialog box appear in front of you. This is the dialog box. And this dialog box is related to the ask to the table name. The dialog box is the table name. This type of, suppose you work with your own office work. So just table name I put to the office. MIS. Then the two options again available: OK and cancel. Then click to the OK button. Fourth option. Then click the OK button. So I again repeat, when you work with the MS Excel, when you work with the Excel, you prepare row and columns. I again repeat, you work with the MS Excel in row or column, but MS Access is prepared to the row means record and the column means filter. So my dear student, then click to the OK button. The one dialog box again appear in front of you. This is the dialog box. Because you table name is the office. You work with office. The office means employee ID. Obviously सी बात है कि आपका employee ID लेगा. And second, auto number. You just auto number. The two options are available in this area. First, ID and the auto number. Second, name. You just click to the name. Name. There are so many such type of option in the interrelated. You just select to the text, because I put the any such type of name is related to the text. My dear student, I again repeat in one sentence. 2013 you selected in the normally for related to the text. There are so many short text, long text, just numbers. There are so many such type of option available. You just click the so many option you available, but your name is interrelated to the text. My dear student, the this data you put in the this data, which data entry is data sheet. This is called to the data sheet, which data entry in data sheet. The all our name input in name, name, address, mobile number, the all such type of fulfill in this field. The which data जो आप डेटा इस फील्ड में इंटर करते हो वो आपका डेटा शीट में जाता है. एंड you again go to data and you again go to data sheet view. You go to data sheet view. You just go to data set view. The one dialog box again appear in front of you. One dialog box appear in front of you. My dear student, this is not to the database, this is the data sheet view. So you go to the data set view and the one dialog box appear again in front of you, and the one sentence you just all such type of data in suppose name, address, mobile number, the all such type of data enter in this area, and then first of all you save. You not save the video, you not save the data is not the data is not any such type of open. So first of all the all data is entered in this area and then save. Then save all your data. Then after go to the data set view. Data set view you go, the one dialog box appear in front of you. This is the dialog box. This is the dialog box. First of all, this dialog box is related to you must first save to the table. Save to the table. जब आप डेटा से व्यू पर जाओगे उसके पहले, जब आप इसके पर जाने के पहले इस डेटा को आपको सेव करना होगा. you must first save to the data. So then do you save the file? The again question asked. This is the two option, okay and cancel. You just click to the OK button. The all data you have to the save. My third option, my sixth option, you just enter the name. You just enter the name. The ID is the automatic generated to you. You just do the OK button and you just enter the name, the ID number. Suppose you just okay. I sort of to the practical part, but I just discuss in this theoretical level. You just click the OK button. You name. Suppose you name to the Daya Shankar. You just to the name, the employee ID 1, 2, 3 is automatically generated. My second, you again go to the design view to new field generate. This is not to the whole of the video in this area, but today I discuss in mainly 15 or 40 minute video. So thank you so much. You just write down in this particular sheet, and the second video I discuss in all such type of data is related to the practical part. Thank you so much.